Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. On behalf of all of our amazing, just talented and dedicated employees, we wanted to wish you a heartfelt Merry Christmas, wherever you are in the world. When I was little, probably when you were little, I was excited by the toys, right? And the tree and the lights and the gifts. But now that I'm an adult, I realize it's so much more about Jesus and togetherness and giving and loving. And I wanted to make sure that you know how much we appreciate you. We love to win your business and earn your business day over day. And this is why we get up early, work hard all day, and stay up late, is to put a smile on your face each and every day with the products we create here at Shabby Fabrics. So again, we wish you, your family, your friends, the most joyous and blessed Merry Christmas. And thank you again for calling Shabby Fabrics your home for all things quilting. God bless you.